All right, I'm coming up on some poke salad. All of this is poke salad. And it's in what I want to be my flower garden. All of this right here. That right there. That's poke salad. That right there. So, I think I'm going to go ahead and start pulling up some of it and giving it to a dear friend of mine. These may not be big enough, but they're going. All right, those will stay. Those are gladiola. This will stay. That's mint. And of course the elephant ears will stay. Then there's a hosta right there. I'm just going to kind of clean all of this out other than that. So, I do believe that's one of the sunflower seeds coming up from that the little hole from the cicadas. I think that's the one. It's possibly two more. I think so. I'm not for sure. But I think that may be one right there. Not for sure. We'll see. But there are several coming up in this little flower bed that I just cleaned out. So there's some right there, right there. I think that's still poke. I think that's poke salad. But we got the sunflower seed right there. One right there. One right there. One right over there by the. Those are right. Those are sunflower seeds right there. All right. So I got it cleaned out to the extent that I can do today, that I feel like today. There's the pile of some leaves, or what you call weeds, and that's the sunflower right there. Poke salad. Then I got the poke salad up here on their mailbox. I think I'm gonna take to a friend. See that little patch of grass there? It's really pretty, but I really need to move that. I need to move that patch. That patch. And there's a patch that leads right to the walkway. I want to move that right there. Let me see if it works. Okay. I got most of it. There it is right there. Alrighty, get it all cleaned out. Well, get it if I can because it's beginning to rain pretty hard. This is where the poke salad, a lot of it used to be, for those walks right there. And to clean some of that out. So this is what I'm left with. So that's that. Alright, I'll put those to rest now. It's starting to rain pretty good.